Hello everyone, it's 6th February. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have India-US joint statement in days, tariff cuts in a week, says Piyush Goyal. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have India has significant potential to import more agri products, says US. Again, very important for agriculture as well as economic perspective. Going forward, we have MCD steps up drain. This desilting after slow tendering is flagged. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have no major change in number of missing children over 3 years, shows police data. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have agreement signed for Frontier Nagaland Territorial Authority. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have Manipur DAI CM has to bear responsibility for consequences of joining popular government. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have no cookies or MLA in house. Manipur government passes floor test. Chura Chandpur cease protest. Again, very important. Then we have HAL to bid for license manufacturing of 5th generation fighter jet. Again, very important for science and tech as well as defense perspective. Then we have diversifying energy sources. Ministry of External Affairs on Trump's India not to buy Russian oil claim. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Going forward, we have accident fatalities on NH fell 11% in 2025 as UP MP led the way, shows data. Again, very important for Moving forward, we have government Ratnagiri plant with machinery from Italy farm operating within consented norms. Again, very important. Then we have expect funds inflow after the call between Prime Minister and US President. Again, very important for economy as well as international relations perspective. Then we have the editorial page where we have the budget has delivered a googly, a retrospective tax. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have 18 killed, many fear trapped after blast in Meghalaya mine. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have the explain page where we have India's Russia challenge, balance old ties, new reality. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have START Pact ends, Europe security calculus under nuclear cloud. Again, very important for security as well as international relations perspective. Then we have India's first ever disaster victim identification guidelines. Teeth hold the key. Again, very important for disaster management perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have still ready to talk to US in limiting nukes, says Russia. And then we have Starmer apologized to victims, Labour Party for believing in Mandelson's lies. Then we have Israel security chief skin accused of smuggling cigarettes to Gaza. Then we have Iran, US agree to hold nuclear dialogue in Oman on Friday. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have duty cuts to push local MFGs not to be seen only from the revenues lens. Again, very important. Then we have India GCC in terms of reference to formally launch trade talks. Both these news are very important for economy perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.